Multiply 1/3 times 1 and 1/3. Whenever multiplying a fraction to a mixed number, I like to turn my mixed number into an improper fraction before I do anything. How do I do that? Well, multiply the 1 out in front to the denominator of 3. So 1 times 3 is 3. Take that 3 and add it to this denominator, which is 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Now, keep the denominator as 3. What do I do with this 1/3 that's floating around out front? Nothing. Just drop it down. Nothing changed there. Now, when multiplying two regular fractions together, multiply straight across the numerator and straight across the denominator. So straight across the top, 1 times 4 is 4. Straight across the bottom, 3 times 3 is 9. This doesn't simplify. It's not improper. I'm done. So my answer is 4/9.